How to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily solve this issue. So without any further delay, let's just get into the video. First thing you have to do is open up your settings. And once you open settings up, go to connection settings. And then from here, you'll find something called SIM manager. Tap on it. Now, once you open up your SIM manager, what you're going to have to do is make sure that both of your SIM card are toggled on. If it's not, make sure to turn it on. Then just go back. And once you are back on your connection settings, just head over to mobile networks. Now, make sure that you select any one of these network as 5G, LTE, or 3G, whichever is the highest settings. Just choose this one. And then go back. Now once you've done that, go to data users and see if you're using any excessive data on your device. After all of this is done, just go back again, and then from here, scroll down all the way until you find General Management, and then tap on it. Then you'll find the option called Reset. Right here, you have an option to reset your mobile network settings, so just tap on this. And then tap on Reset Settings. So it will automatically reset your mobile network settings for SIM 1 as well as SIM 2. You can do this for both. After doing this, just give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.